How to delete CoinMarketCap account. If you wish to delete your account on CoinMarketCap, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now all we have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the CoinMarketCap app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Then what you have to do from here is, if you wish to delete your account, log into the correct account that you want to delete, then tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you're over there, you simply have to go to the option that says settings and then just tap on it. Then when you're here on the settings tab, again you'll find a couple of options. In this case, again scroll down until you see the option that says delete account. So here under account details you can say delete account. Tap on the delete account button, agree to the terms and conditions, which is to acknowledge that everything will be deleted, like your diamonds, your watch list and portfolio will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So be very mindful of that, and if you're sure, then tap the confirm button to delete your account. That's what it takes for us to delete our CoinMarketCap account, and I hope that the video helped you out. If you've got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.